everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is a bit controversial, but also something many people search for. Online, how to track your girlfriend's or wife's phone discreetly. Before we get started, there's something important you need to understand. Privacy matters, and in many countries, tracking someone without their knowledge or permission can be illegal. This kind of technology should only be used responsibly. For example, for family safety, parental monitoring, or situations where consent has already been given. With that said, if your intention is protection, safety, or peace of mind, there are several apps and methods available that allow phone monitoring in a discreet way. So now question is, how phone tracking works. Most modern tracking apps can collect data such as live GPS location, call history, text messages, social media activity, and more. All of this information is usually synced to a secure online dashboard that you can access from your own phone or computer. Some advanced tools even continue working remotely after the initial setup, meaning you may not need ongoing physical access to the target device. Let's begin.
Number 1. XnSpy, best for advanced monitoring. XnSpy is one of the most powerful spy apps available. It offers advanced features like real-time GPS tracking, remote microphone activation, and even call recording. This app works completely in stealth mode, making it ideal for discreet monitoring. Plus, it has a smart analytics system that helps you identify suspicious activities easily. Key features: call recording and logs. Listen to live calls or view detailed logs. GPS location tracking. Monitor real-time locations and past routes. WhatsApp, Facebook, and Snapchat monitoring. Read messages from social media platforms. Remote microphone activation. Listen to surroundings remotely. Smart activity analytics. Get alerts on suspicious behavior. Number 2. Unauthorized, best for parental control. Unauthorized is a top-rated parental control app that offers real-time access to messages, social media, and even keystrokes. One of its standout features is its live screen recording, allowing you to see exactly what's happening on the phone at any time. Key features: live screen recording, view screen activity in real time. Keylogger captures everything typed, including passwords. Social media monitoring tracks Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and TikTok. Location tracking with geofencing. Get alerts if the device enters restricted areas. Number 3. Spybubble Pro, at best for undetectable tracking. Spybubble Pro is one of the most discreet spy apps out there. It runs completely in stealth mode, meaning the person being monitored will never know it's installed. This app is perfect for tracking calls, text messages, and even using the camera remotely. Key features: calls and SMS monitoring. View call logs and read text messages. Camera and microphone access. Remotely activate the camera and microphone. Hidden mode. Completely undetectable on the target device. GPS and Wi-Fi tracking. See live and past locations. Number 4. CocoSpy, best for GPS tracking. If you need a powerful location tracker, CocoSpy is a great pick. It provides real-time GPS tracking without draining battery life, and it works in stealth mode without requiring rooting or jailbreaking. Key features: real-time GPS tracking. View location history with timestamps. Social media monitoring. Track WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. File and media access. See stored photos, videos, and documents. Number 5. Spyic Pro, best for remote monitoring. Spyic Pro is a highly trusted spy app that provides remote monitoring features without the need for rooting or jailbreaking the target device. It is best suited for individuals or businesses looking to track multiple devices at once. Spyic Pro offers comprehensive call and message tracking, detailed browsing history reports, and even deleted message recovery, making it a strong option for deep surveillance. Key features: deleted message recovery. Retrieve deleted texts and chats from apps like WhatsApp and Messenger. Call history monitoring. View a complete call log, including duration, timestamps, and contact details. Geofencing alerts. Get notified when the target device enters or exits a set geographic location. File and media access, view saved photos, videos, and documents remotely. Browsing history and app usage tracking. Monitor which websites were visited and app activity details. Number 6. Spy Stealth, best for completely undetectable tracking. Spy Stealth lives up to its name. It runs completely undetectable in the background of the target device, making it one of the best options for hidden surveillance. This app provides advanced tracking features such as keystroke logging, web browsing history monitoring, and call interception. Unlike many other apps, Spy Stealth also offers cloud backup synchronization, allowing you to store monitored data securely. Key features: hidden mode. The app runs invisibly, making it nearly impossible to detect. Web and browsing history tracking. View visited websites, bookmarks, and downloads. Keylogger feature. Capture every keystroke, including passwords and search queries. Live audio and surrounding sound recording. Remotely activate the phone's microphone. Cloud data backup. Save logs and monitoring data in a secure cloud storage. Number 7. Xmobi, best for budget-friendly tracking. Xmobi is one of the most affordable spy apps that still provides premium-level features. It is perfect for those who need basic monitoring tools without breaking the bank. It allows you to track phone calls, messages, and real-time location updates while staying lightweight and battery efficient. With screenshot capturing, you can remotely take snapshots of the phone's activities. Key features: call and text monitoring. Get detailed logs of incoming and outgoing calls and SMS. Location history tracking. Monitor real-time locations with timestamps. Screenshot capturing. Take remote screenshots of any activity on the device. App blocking and usage monitoring. Restrict access to specific apps and track app usage time. Battery efficient, runs in the background without draining phone battery. Number 8. Spyz, best for social media monitoring. Spyz specializes in social media tracking, making it one of the best apps for monitoring chat applications like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Snapchat, Instagram, and even Tinder. Unlike many other spy apps, Spyic provides detailed usage reports showing exactly how much time someone is spending on different platforms. With its real-time location tracking, you can also see where the device is at any moment. Key features: message tracking, read chats from WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, Snapchat, and more. Location tracking. Get real-time location updates and travel history. Detailed usage reports. See app usage time and screen time breakdown. Screenshot capturing. Take instant screenshots of social media activity.
Important legal notice. Before using any phone tracking app, keep this in mind. In many countries, monitoring another adult's phone without their permission may violate privacy laws. These tools should only be used in legal situations, such as parental control, employee-owned company devices, or when proper consent has been given. Laws vary depending on your country or region. So always make sure you understand the legal rules before using any tracking software. Using these apps responsibly can help avoid serious legal or personal consequences. At the end of the day, phone tracking apps can be useful for safety, parental monitoring, or protecting important relationships, but they should always be used ethically and responsibly. There are many tools available today that offer discrete tracking features, real-time monitoring, and easy-to-use dashboards, so choosing the right one depends on your specific needs and situation. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want help choosing the best app for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.